everyone, my name is Aura Dwi Ramandini. I'm usually called Ura, Au, Aura. I went to Soklat Elementary School in Subang. My junior high school went to SMP Negeri 1 Subang and my high school was at SMA Negeri 1 Subang. I am currently studying at Politeknik Negeri Bandung, majoring in wireless telecommunication engineering. And in the future, I want to be in a big company like Huawei, Telkom. Uh, my hobby is listening to music, but when I have free time, I like to run. Najwa Shihab is an alumnus of the Faculty of Law, University of Indonesia, class of on 1996. During high school, he was selected to take part in the American Field Service Program, which in Indonesia was implemented by the Natural Intercultural Development Foundation for 1 year in the United States. Najwa Shihab is one of Indonesian inspirational women, an idol for the millennial generation. Her figure is considered intelligent and firm in the field of journalism has made Najwa Shihab have many fans. This inspiring Indonesian woman has racked a number from within and outside the country. His experience in the field of journalism success in bringing Najwa Shihab to establish his own new and media company called Narasi TV. Cordless telephone or portable telephone has a portable telephone handset that connects by radio to a base station connect to the public telephone network. The operational range is limited, usually to the same building or within some short distance from the base station. A cordless telephone differs functional from a mobile telephone in its limit range and by defending the base station on the subscriber premise. Current cordless telephone standards such as PDS and DEC have blurred the one clear-cut line between cordless and mobile telephones by implementing cloud handoff. Various advanced features such as data transfer and even on a limited scale international roaming. In special model, a commercial mobile network operator by maintain base station and users subscribe to the service would like a cord telephone. A cordless telephone needs electricity to power the base station. The cordless handset contains a rechargeable battery which the base station the charge when the headset rests in the ground. Subang, West Java is my birthday place. I have a lot of memories here. Subang is a district in the province of West Java, Indonesia. The capital is Subang Kota District. The district borders the Japasi to the north, Indramayu, Regency to the east, Sumedang, Regency to the southeast, West Bandung Regency to the south, and Purwakarta Regency and Karawang Regency to the west. Currently, the temperature in Subang city is very hot because most of the population still earn their main income as farmers and plantation workers. Subang economy is still largely supported by the agricultural sector. Subang in the southern region has many plantation area, such as rubber in the northwest and very large the plantation. Subang is famous as one of the pineapple production area which we generally know as honey pineapple. We can find honey pineapple along Jalan Cagak, which is the intersection between Wanayasa, Bandung, Sumedang, and Subang City itself. Pineapple dodol, cassava chips, and jam are home industry product that can be used as souvenir. Tourist attraction in Subang. Flora Wisata di Castello. There are beautiful tourist attractions in Subang that offer experience like Disneyland, but in a local version. The beautiful gate and lots of playground in the park make anyone feel at home here for a long time. Cimuja Waterfall. Cimuja Waterfall is located in the most upstream area. In the past, this waterfall was often used to worship and meditate on something. That's why it's called Cimuja Waterfall. Worship is usually carried out at night when the devout has finished confining his prayer. He must bathe at night under the flow of this waterfall. Sari Ater Hot Spring Resort Tourist. Sari Ater Hot Spring Resort Tourist, or better known as the Ciater Hot Spring Tourist Attraction. The location is at the foot of Mount Tangkuban Perahu, precisely in Ciater Village, Ciater District, Subang Regency. Typical Subang food. Oncom dawan. The first typical Subang food is oncom dawan. This snack is no longer brought to people in West Java. Moreover, several areas also famous for their oncom. For example, Bandung and several other areas. Some basic ingredients use peanut, some also tofu drinks. Oncom dawan, its popular name, currently has a unique taste. This oncom is still processed using traditional method and without using chemicals. This typical Subang food is made from select peanut native to Subang and prepared over a traditional fire oven. If you are visit Subang, don't forget to buy oncom dawan as a souvenir. Nasi liwet. Subang typical food is nasi liwet. If you visit Subang City, it is mandatory to visit the Subang Pamanukan Kilometer 3 Highway or Sukamelang Village in Saung Liwet. In this area, you will find restaurants selling nasi liwet, which has a unique delicacy. Pineapple dodol. The next typical Subang food is pineapple dodo. Subang Regency is famous for its delicious pineapple production, which is different from other regions. One of the delicious pineapple preparations is pineapple dodo. The sweet and sticky taste is guaranteed to you. Addicted pineapple dodo is also highly recommended as a souvenir for family, friends, and colleagues. Tutut Soding. It has seasonal production and is weighed about then in the rice field. Tutut Soding is one of Subang typical food preparation. Tutut, or often known as rice Nile, is prepared in such a way with various spices that are quite appetizing. The taste of tutut is very popular with the public. It's not surprising that tutut soding has become their specialty food. Teknik di Bandung, I plan to continue my study at Stanford University. The land Stanford Junior University, commonly known as Stanford University or just Stanford, is a private university located approximately 60 kilometers southeast of San Francisco and approximately 30 kilometers northeast of San Jose in an area of Santa Clara County that has not yet been declared a city. Stanford is located near the city of Palo Alto, California, United States, right in the heart of Silicon Valley, both geography and historical. Stanford University is located on the second largest university campus in the world and consists of the School of Engineering, Law, Medicine, Education, Business, Art, Science, and Humans and Science. The university has a number one program and a teaching hospital in addition to various community outreach activity and volunteer initiatives. Stanford consistently ranked among the best universities in the world, both in terms of teaching and research. Magazine New and World Report ranked Stanford 5 in the world for its undergrad program in 2009. Stanford was also ranking 3 in the world for best research university by the academic ranking of World University in 2010. Another ranking, Times Higher Education World University ranking, placed Stanford in fourth place in the world as the best research university in 2010. That's all for me. I hope like this video. Bye bye.